Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the Dollar General one-day only sale, plus we're going to talk about some new and exclusive coupons. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright, so first up, just a quick reminder that I have already uploaded 3 other videos for you all this week, so if you missed out on any of those, make sure that you go and check them out, and I will have them all linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right into the deals. Now, before we talk about the one-day only sale, I did want to go ahead and mention that we do have a 3-day sale going on right now, but unfortunately, today is the last day. So I went ahead and picked out the best deals that are included in this 3-day sale, but keep in mind that these prices do end today on Tuesday, December the 6th. So we have the Bugles. They are buy one, get one free, so that's going to leave you paying $1 for 2 bags. Also included are the Craig Bluetooth Tower speakers. These are priced at $45, but we have a $15 instant savings, so that's going to leave you paying just $30. Now, we also have a sale on the Hype LED gaming headsets. These are normally $12, but right now they are on sale for just $8. Next up, we have the Comfort Bay fleece throws. These are normally priced at $5 each, but they are on sale right now. Buy one, get one 75% off. Then we also have a sale on the Hanes men's tees. These are on sale, 3 for $12. And we also have the Fruit of the Loom men's or women's fleece pants, crew, or hoodies. These are on sale, buy one, get one half off. Now, again, this sale ends today on Tuesday, December the 6th, and keep in mind that these are not all of the deals that are included in this 3-day sale, so if you do plan on going out to Dollar General today, make sure that you check out the weekly ad. Alright guys, now next up, we're going to go over the one-day only sale, and man, do we have some amazing deals included in this sale. So this will be on Friday, December the 9th. So for our first deal, we have an instant savings of $5 when you spend $15 on trees, ornaments, lights, battery-operated lights, tree toppers, tree skirts, stockings, hats, holiday crafts, and outdoor decor. So there is a lot included in that instant savings deal. Now next up, we have a deal on the 9.6 ounce cans of Folgers ground coffee. They're going to be on sale 2 for $7, and we have a 1 off 2 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $6 for 2, making those $3 each. Next up, we have another really good coffee deal. We have the McCafe ground coffee 24 ounce cans. These are normally $10.95, but they're going to be on sale on Friday for $6.50. Alright, next up, also included in this one-day sale, we have the Betty Crocker Blueberry Muffin and Quick Bread Mix. These are normally $3, but on Friday, they're going to be $2.25. Now, next up, here's a deal that I haven't seen in a very, very long time. We have the 5 ounce Herdez Avocado Hot Sauces. These are normally priced at $2.85 each, but on Friday, they're going to be buy one, get one free, so it's going to leave you paying $2.85 for 2. Alright, next up, we have another buy one, get one free deal. So we have the Prego Alfredo sauces, 22 ounce jars. These are priced at $3.95 each, but on Friday, they're going to be buy one, get one free, so that's going to leave you paying $3.95 for 2. Now, also included in this one-day sale, we have the Campbell's Chicken Noodle 13.8 ounce cans or the Campbell's Tomato Soup 14.3 ounce cans. These are normally $1.35 each, but on Friday, you're going to pay just $1. Now, it also looks like we're going to be receiving a few new digital coupons for this one-day only sale. So it looks like we're going to be receiving a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Olay and Old Spice gift sets. These are priced at $10, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $8. Next up, we have the Craig Portable Bluetooth speakers. These are priced at $16.50, but on Friday, they're going to be 50% off, so that's going to leave you paying $8.25. Alright, next up, we have a gift card deal. So we have the Bass Pro and Cabela's gift cards. These are going to be 15% off during this one-day sale. Alright, next up, here's a great idea for stocking stuffers. So we have Decalomania Auto Decals. These are normally priced at $1 to $2 each, but on Friday, they're going to be buy one, get one free. Alright, next up, we have a deal on the Mobil 1 synthetic motor oil. So these are normally priced at $5.85 all the way up to $8.85 each, but they're going to be on sale on Friday. Buy one, get one half off. All right, now moving right along, we have a few household deals also included in this one-day only sale. So first up, we have the 14.8-ounce Downy scent beads. These are normally priced at $10.95 each, but on Friday, we should be receiving a digital coupon for when you buy two, you're going to pay $16, making those $8 each. All right, up next we have the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent. So these are on sale for $5.50. We should have a 2-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave us paying $3.50. All right, next up we have the 6-count Bounty paper towels. Now these are priced at $12. We should have a 2-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $10. All right, now next up here is one of my favorite deals of this sale. We have these Sparkle paper towels, 4 double rolls. These are going to be on sale for $4.95, and we should have a 2-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave us paying $2.95, and you really cannot beat that price. Now, here's another really good deal. We have the Angel Soft Bath Tissue 16 Mega Rolls. These are priced at $11.50. We should be receiving a $2.50 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave us paying just $9. Now, next up here is another really awesome deal, and guys, we have not seen this price in a very, very long time, so definitely take advantage of this deal on Friday. We have the Airwick Scented Oil Starter Kits. These are normally $3.75 each, but on Friday, they're going to be on sale for just $3. We have a buy one, get one free digital coupon that you can use, so that's going to leave you paying $3 for 2, and then we also have a 3-off 2 digital coupon that you can also use, and that's going to leave you paying $3 for 2 as well, making those just $1.50 each. All right, next up we have the Milk-Bone dog treats, the 10-ounce or 12-ounce bags. These are normally priced at $4.65 each, but on Friday they're going to be on sale for $3.50. But this still gets even better because right now on Ibotta we have a 50-cent rebate back, so that's going to make your final price just $3. All right, next up we have the Good and Fun dog treats, 12-ounce bags. These are normally priced at $10.50, but on Friday they're going to be on sale for $8.50. And then we also have a deal on the 14-pound Arm & Hammer Slide cat litter. So these are normally priced at $11.75, but on Friday you're going to pay $9.95. All right, so that is it for our one-day only sale. And remember, that is on Friday, December the 9th. Now let's go ahead and talk about some exclusive coupons. Now, I'm not quite sure what all is out there, but I do know that I did receive this exclusive coupon on one of my accounts. It is a 2-off-1 digital coupon for the 12 or 16 count Tide Pods. So y'all make sure that you are double checking those accounts, and if you have received this exclusive coupon or if you have any other high value exclusive coupons on your accounts, please feel free to share that information down in the comment section below. Now, if you do have this coupon, these Tide Pods are priced at $5.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. And this coupon doesn't expire until January the 1st, 2023. Can y'all believe that we are already rolling into 2023? Man, this year has flown by. Now, I do want to say I am really happy to see this 2-off-1 coupon come back. However, I feel like Dollar General and P&G are kind of being a little bit stingy with it since I only received this on one account. But we'll just have to wait it out and see how this goes. Hopefully, though, this is a good sign because, as a lot of you all know, over the weekend I put out a video talking about the P&G inserts and how in January that is going to be the last P&G insert that we receive. So I'm really hoping that P&G will kind of make up for that and either give us some higher value coupons or more digital coupons to work with. But you know what? We're just going to have to wait and see. So fingers crossed. Now, speaking of P&G products, we also received some new Gain DG store coupons. Now, not everybody received the same Gain coupon this month, which is a little bit weird, but hey, we're just going to roll with it and work with what we've got. So, you may have received a 5 off 20 Gain DG store coupon. You may also have received a 7 off 30 or a 10 off 40. So you guys definitely need to let me know down in the comment section below which Gain coupon you received on your accounts. Now, I also wanted to remind everybody, if your birthday is in December, first of all, happy birthday. And second of all, make sure that you check your wallet in your Dollar General app for your exclusive birthday coupon. Now, I do want to give a big shout out and thank you to Annette for sending me in a screenshot of her exclusive birthday coupon. And as you guys can see, she received a 2 off 10 DG store coupon. So that is not a bad deal at all. So again, thank you so much, Annette, and I hope you have a wonderful birthday. Alright guys, so there you have it for our 3-day sale, our 1-day sale, and some exclusive coupons. Now, if y'all are looking for even more deals, make sure that you go back and check out the videos that I've already uploaded for y'all this week. And like I said before, I will have them linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stay tuned because I will have more deals coming at you real soon. Now, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. And I will see you on the next one.